Basic task scripts. This is our second script that we will create together, and this will actually execute some basic tasks that are like a based on some basic commands. So the task that we will define in our script is the first one is pwd, that will print my working directory. ls, which will list all the files or directories in my current directory. Who am I? It will print my username that I'm logged in with. Date, the current date. Cal, the current calendar. And the last one, I want to create three files in my directory that I'm logged in. That files are A, B, C, and the command we will use to create them is touch. So it's just that simple, and that script will run sequentially. If you remember, it will do the first one is pwd, then ls, and then so on. So my machine is right here, and I am going to create my second script. Make sure I am logged in as myself, and which directory I'm in. I'm in scripts directory. Perfect. That's the directory I wanted to be in. So I will go ahead and VI a new file, and the name of the file I will pick as like basic tasks. It's just that simple. Hit enter, define your shell, author. I'm going to keep making you do that again and again so you will remember. Date created 08/20/20. Description, run basic Linux tasks. Date. What was that fourth one? Tell me. Modified. Yes. Again, we are not modifying, we're just putting today's date. And I guess that's pretty much it. Now, I always like to start my script with echo, so it will be a new line. And this time I wanted to write down echo. This script will run a few basic tasks. Now remember, this is not a description. This will actually output on the screen. Then another echo just for a new line. Now what do we want to do? We want to see which directory we are in. So simply just type pwd. Okay, it did that. Now let's see if it could do ls. Who am I? Date, cal, and the last one is I wanted to create three files, A, B, and C. So that's pretty much it. It's gonna run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 commands, 6 basic tasks. We cover those tasks, what exactly they're gonna do, and go ahead and escape out of it and right quit, save the file, and check the permissions. There are no permissions. Assign the permissions. Basic tasks. Do ls-ltr just to confirm. Yep, the basic task script has been created. Now go ahead and run basic tasks. Hit enter. Nice. Okay, let's see what it did. Okay, so this script will run a few basic commands. This is the echo thing that we added in, right? Then the next thing, we wanted to know which directory we are in. We are in this directory. Then ls will list all the directories and files inside of my current working directory, and those files are basic tasks and hello world. So it's this own file that I just ran the command. And then who am I? That's my name. I am logged in as myself. Date. This is the date. It's telling you what date is today. And calendar. This is the calendar that it is output. Now the last one is, hey, what happened to touch ABC? Did it create that file? I am sure it has. But why didn't you see in here when it was listing that files? Very good question. Now let's go back to our sequence. Remember, the script works in a sequence in an order. The first thing first. So by the time touch ABC, it hit that touch ABC, it ran ls command before that. So that's why you didn't see it. So now if you run it, you will see your three files in there. So without running the script, just do ls minus l and you'll see in there. There you go. See, you see it? So I'll do ls minus ltr. ltr will list everything in a date format when it was last created. So if you see, it has created A, B, and 3 C files. So this is how we do our basic tasks. So if you are going through all that hassle every day and you want to automate them through one simple basic tasks, you could do that through simply this way. I like to keep things neat and clean. So what I would do is I will put echo in every line. Echo, echo, and echo. And then at the bottom, I will say echo, end of script. Nice? Okay. Okay. You guys probably noticed, hey, Imran just did something. I did it purposely. I just put it down wrong command, and let's see what the error message comes up. Um, let's run the basic tasks. And it did everything I asked for. Now you see it has given me those ABC files as well. And now at the bottom it says, line 21, command not found. Okay, so something went wrong with the script. Now this is how you troubleshoot a script. I wanted to cover that troubleshooting part right here at the beginning because every time you write a script, there is always a chance, I would say, I'm not gonna say that, very little chance. We are humans, we make mistake. There's always chance that you fat finger some of the command or you make a mistake, then the script doesn't run. Then how do you troubleshoot? Well, the Linux operating system or the scripting shells are smart enough to tell you where the problem is. So it's telling you that the script is this. It and in line 21, there's a command called ECH. That command not found. You want me to run that command? I understand, but there is no such thing as command. Why? Let's try it just by simply typing it. Yeah, there is no such command. So we know that in line 21 in this script there is a mistake and we have to fix it. And the way I do it is I VI the script and I will, let's say if I'm right here or anywhere, I'll just do colon 21. This will bring me exactly to that line where it was complaining. There you go. So it brought me right to the line and I see, oh, okay, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I left out O. Now it will run it. Perfect. Perfect. I fixed my mistake. That is perfect. That's how we learn. So when you hit enter again, run the script, and there you go. It is giving you everything that you asked for. And at the end is telling you end of script. So it's a good practice that you output that what exactly the script will do at the beginning that will tell the user, hey, the script will run a few basic commands. It will throw that out on the screen. And when the script finishes, it should say end of script. Perfect. So that's how we do simple basic tasks using scripting language. So try it out, try different commands in there. There are so many commands in Linux. I want you to try them out one by one and see how you could automate a few simple tasks, some few daily tasks.